In this video, we are going to check about shorthand operators. C++ has some shorthand operators. So, we'll check how these shorthand operators work. So, this is about the shorthand operators. Like A is equal to, if you want to write A is equal to A plus 1. For example, you want to write A is equal to A plus 1. So, you can write it like A plus is equal to 1. If we write A plus is equal to 1, it means A is equal to A plus 1. Similarly, A is equal to A minus 1. A minus is equal to 1. If you want to write it with some variable, let's say you want to write A asterisk m plus n. So, it will be A asterisk m plus n. You can A asterisk is equal to m plus n. A asterisk A is equal to A upon m plus n. A upon is equal to this. So, for all the arithmetic operators, you can use these assignment operators. So, like for example, I say I want to write A is equal to A plus 1. So, I can write A plus is equal to 1. If you want to write A is equal to A plus B, you can write A plus is equal to B. If I write it like this, A asterisk is equal to B in shorthand notation, this is called shorthand operator. This is a binary operator. This is called shorthand operator and it need two operands, A and B, or A or 1, or A and A. So, it means it is A is equal to A into B. So, instead of writing A is equal to A into B, you can write A asterisk is equal to B. So, these are called shorthand operator. You can write it for any expression, like you can write A asterisk is equal to m plus n. So, it means you want to write A is equal to A asterisk m plus n. Or if you want to write A is equal to A asterisk B, A asterisk B asterisk C, then also you can write A asterisk is equal to B asterisk C. So, these are called shorthand notations, shorthand operators. Let us check these shorthand operators on Visual Studio. So, let us say shorthand operators, and let us say I write a variable x is equal to 5. Now, what I say, x plus is equal to 10. So, now x should be 15. So, here x is 15, fine. So, similarly, let us say you want to write it for an expression, let us say another let us say you want to write it for another expression, let us say let's take another variable y and let us write y is equal to 10. Now, what I want to say? I want to say x asterisk is equal to y. So, now x should be y into x. So, now x should be 50. So, in the first expression x will be 15 and in the next expression x will be 50. Sorry, 150, because now x becomes 15. Why it is 150? Because when we came here, why x is 150 here? Because when we came here, like at this point x is equal to, x is equal to 15 and now here y is equal to 10. So, when we multiply x and y, it becomes 150. So this is how shorthand operators work. This is how shorthand operators work. You can write any shorthand operator. How shorthand operators work. So in the next video we will check about some other operators. Thank you.